Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Given that K is equal to spring stiffness is equal to 4 kN per meter, mu s is equal to coefficient of static friction between the belt and wheel at point A. So mu s is equal to 0.2 given. F is equal to 500 Newton is equal to frictional resistance. Now going further, we can write as T2 is equal to T1 e to the power mu s beta. That is our equation 1. Drawing free body diagram of the drive pulley. So drawing it more carefully, showing all the forces acting on it. Here it is T2 and here it is T1, and this point is 0.1 meter is radius. This point is O and here it is OX and OI. T2 is equal to T1 plus 500. Angle of contact is equal to beta is equal to 180 degree or beta is equal to pi. From equation 1 we have T1 plus 500 is equal to T1 e to the power 0.2 into pi. On solving further, we can write it as T1 is equal to 500 by e to the power 0.3 into pi minus 1. So T2 is equal to T1 plus 500 is equal to 571.78 and plus 500, and T1 is 571.78 Newton. So on calculating we get T2 is equal to 1071.78. Taking moment about O, summation of MO is equal to 0 or T1 minus T2 is equal to into zero point 0.1 plus M is equal to 0 or 571.78 minus 1071.78 into zero point 0.1 plus M is equal to 0. On calculating we get M is equal to 1071.78 minus 571.78 into zero point 0.1. So M is 50 Newton meter. Drawing free body diagram of idler pulley. So drawing it more carefully, showing all the forces acting on this pulley. So here it is, here this force is T1 and here it is T2. This point is B, here it is By and here it is Fs. On going further, we can write from equilibrium equation summation of Fx is equal to 0 or Fs minus 2T1 is equal to 0 or Fs is equal to 2T1 is equal to 2 into 571.78. So on calculating we get Fs is equal to 1143.57. As we know, Fs is equal to K into X or X is equal to Fs by K. On putting value we get 2 into 571.78 by 4000. So X is equal to 0.2859 meter. So X is equal to 285.9 mm. So X is equal to 286 mm.